In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the language in Google Translate. We will use the Google Translate website on your computer, and by the end you will be able to control both the language you type and the language you translate to. Open Google Translate. On your computer, this shows a clean page with two large text boxes side by side. The box on the left is for the text you type or paste in. The box on the right is where the translation appears. Above each box you will see a row of language names, such as English, Spanish, or French, with a small arrow next to each label. When the page finishes loading, check that you can see both boxes and those language labels at the top. Click the left language box. This is the language label that sits above the box where you will type your original text. When you click it, a long list of languages appears, usually in alphabetical order. You might see suggestions near the top, like English or the language Google thinks you use the most. If you notice a small search bar above the list, that lets you quickly find a language by typing part of its name, which helps when the list is very long. Choose the language you want to translate from, scroll through the list, or use the small search bar to find your language. When you click a language, it becomes highlighted and the name now appears above the left text box. That tells you that Google Translate expects any text you enter on the left to be in that language. If you accidentally choose the wrong one, just click the left language label again and pick a different option from the same list. Click the right language box. This is the language label above the box where the translated result will show. Once you click it, you will see the same style of list with many languages and often a few common suggestions at the top. The layout looks just like the list you saw on the left side, so you are still in the right place. Choose the language you want to translate to. Again, scroll or type part of the language name in the small search field. When you select it, its name appears above the right box. Right away, the page now knows your full direction, from the language on the left to the language on the right. A helpful detail here is that you can choose the same language as on the left if you only want to use this as a dictionary, for example to see synonyms. Enter your text, click inside the big left box and start typing, or paste text that you copied from somewhere else. You can enter a word, a sentence, or even a longer paragraph. As you type, you might notice a small character counter beneath the box, which helps you keep track when you paste larger chunks of text. Google Translate will show the translation. The right box fills automatically, usually after a short moment. You do not need to press any extra buttons. The site reacts as soon as it understands the text. If you change either language at the top, the translation updates again to match the new choice. You have now changed both languages in Google Translate and seen your text translated. If this walkthrough helped you get your translation set up, please give the video a thumbs up and subscribe if you want more quick tips like this.